Thermo Fisher Scientific is expanding our single-use manufacturing network globally. Some of the largest investments are taking place at our existing Logan, Utah and Millersburg, Pennsylvania sites. We are adding space for clean rooms for the manufacturing and assembly of Thermo Scientific bioprocess containers and fluid transfer assemblies, investing in 2D and 3D chamber manufacturing equipment, and harmonizing our quality systems and processes.
Here at our Logan, Utah facility, where our bioprocess containers, or BPCs, are manufactured, we've recently completed a large facility expansion, which has increased our chamber manufacturing capabilities by about 70%. Our cleanroom footprint went from 10,000 square feet to 30,000 square feet, which allowed us to introduce multiple new chamber manufacturing lines with state-of-the-art customized equipment. With this expansion, the site is set up to meet our current demand and to support the future growth from our customer needs. In addition to the facility expansion, we've also established a global standard component library for our product manufacturing and final assembly, meaning components such as tubing, filters, and connectors will be identical across all of our global manufacturing sites, including between Millersburg and Logan.
To be able to provide true redundancy in manufacturing for our customers, we have worked to harmonize our quality systems and processes. Our customers now have the ability to qualify multiple manufacturing sites, and we will be able to produce their products at any of these qualified locations. This helps provide the assurance and availability of high-quality products that our customers require.
At our Millersburg site, we've expanded our overall capacity by 28% through personnel and facility expansion at the East Campus location and plan to expand our main campus in 2021. This includes additional manufacturing and warehouse spaces, new production equipment to expand our chamber manufacturing, and improved accommodations for our employees.
To help our customers accelerate and scale up with consistent and robust products, we've harmonized film and irradiation processes. Our Thermo Scientific Aegis, CX, and ASI films are now available for chamber manufacture at both our Logan and Millersburg sites. We've also expanded our network of product irradiation sites in North America to add capacity and bring the product closer to the customer post-irradiation.
Our expansion efforts in Millersburg and Logan and the harmonization across sites will enable Thermo Fisher to help ensure the success of our customers. By providing this manufacturing infrastructure and reliable supply chain, we're committing to support them as they develop their innovative products to help improve lives.
Contact your sales representative or get more information at thermofisher.com/flexible containment.